Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to take some exercises on Unit 6. And let's start with some choice exercises. The first one is space. Space is the best literary form that expresses emotions. Poetry, poet, poems, poetic. And the best form of the best literary form is poetry. Number 2, he locked the documents in a safe. In this sentence, locked means space, kept, jailed, imprisoned, closed. And here the word locked means kept. Number 3, which of the following prefixes mean again? Which of the following prefixes mean again? A, co, re, er. To make something again, use the prefixes re. Okay, when you say rewrite, rearrange, and so on. Okay. Good citizens space the rules. Good citizens space the rules. Kill, forget, break, follow. So to be a good citizen, you must follow the rules. His space mistakes make me angry. He never seems to learn from them. His space mistakes make me angry. He never seems to learn from them. The choices: pleasant, popular, repeated, enjoyable. So his repeated mistakes make me angry. His repeated mistakes. To make a polite space, always say please and excuse me. To make a polite space, always say please and excuse me. The choices are request, tick, phrase, organization. So the answer is request. To make a polite request, say please. She suggested that her mother space another doctor. She suggested that her mother space another doctor. Seeing, to see, sees. The answer here is see. But how can we use the infinitive here after mother? We should say sees, but the rule is suggest that and then the subject and you use infinitive. So her mother see another doctor. Would you mind space me a hand? Would you mind space me a hand? To give, giving, being, giving, give. And as you know, after would you mind you use verb ing. So the answer is giving. I remember space that man before. I remember space that man before. Seeing, to see, to seeing A and B. And the answer here is seeing. So when you remember that you had done something before, when you remember that you have done something before, so use verb ing after remember. He stopped space because it affected his health badly. To smoking, smoking, to smoke, P and C. So the answer is smoking. Stopped smoking. To stop plus verb ing is to stop doing something. He stopped doing what? He stopped smoking as it affected his health. The last one, he stopped space outside because other people on the bus refused to let him smoke while driving. To smoking, smoking, to smoke, B and C. And the answer is to smoke. So here, stop to smoke means stop to do something. Okay? And imagine that the driver wanted to smoke, but the passenger refused, so he stopped the bus aside to smoke a cigarette. Another exercise here is to fill in the gaps. Let's read this part together. I'm a good swimmer. When I was young, I wasn't space swimming. I used to space very frightened of the sea. My father sent me to a swimming school. There I learned space to swim well. Now I space swimming nearly every day. And now let's read it again and fill in the gaps with the correct answers. I'm a good swimmer. When I was young, I wasn't used to swimming. So when you didn't have this habit before, you wasn't used to plus ing. I used to be very frightened of the sea. My father sent me to a swimming school. There I learned how to swim well. Now I go swimming nearly every day. I go swimming. Here we have a sentence and we want to translate it into Arabic. There have been several types of literary writings. The type that is most appealing to human emotional nature is undoubtedly poetry. Here, think of the correct translation or the suitable translation to this part or this sentence. Okay, and let's see our translation. هناك العديد من أنواع الكتابات الأدبية، والنوع المحبب أكثر لطبيعة البشر العاطفية هو الشعر بلا شك. okay. طبعا ده كان من الممكن برضو ان انت تستخدم يعني بلا شك كأن هي حال، وممكن تستخدمها قبل مثلا جملة ايه، يعني ممكن نقول النوع المفضل او المحبب لينا، ممكن نحط قبلها بلا شك، بلا شك النوع المحبب ونكمل. Okay, let's translate this sentence into English. يعلم الجميع أن النساء أكثر حبا وتذوقا واستمتاعا بالشعر، لكن من المفارقات الغريبة أن أشهر وأكثر الشعراء من الرجال وليس النساء. Okay, let's see our translation. Everyone knows that women love, taste, and enjoy poetry more, but it is a strange paradox that the most famous poets are men, not women. Okay, this is the end of our exercises today. I hope you got the message. Thanks and goodbye.